Hiya guys, welcome to our YouTube channel White Cliffs Motorhomes. Today I'm going to explain to you how to use the control panel in our Roller Team Zefiro 696. So with the control panel, you've got your home screen, you've got your unlock screen button here, so press onto that. So you've got resources. With resources, you've got your starter battery, what's running at 12.6 volts, and you've got your leisure battery, what's running at 12.4. This area over here is your water tank. So at the moment it's running at 66%, but this goes up in 3 stages. So it goes from 33% to 66% to 100%. So even though it says 66, it could have 85%, for example. Underneath, this is your drainage. So if you're using the shower or the sink and you haven't got your isolation valve open on the outside of the vehicle, this will build up, and when it hits 100%, it will beep and let you know that you need to empty the drainage system. Press back, you've got your switches. So with your switches, you've got your water pump. Obviously you need your water pump on to be able to use your shower or your taps. You've got your outdoor light, and then you've got your interior light. You have to have the interior light on. This won't just run your lights, this will run your TV as well, so just bear that in mind. Go back, you've got your room climate. So this is your heating. So you've got 2 options. You've got heating and then ventilating. You can only use the ventilating if you've got the 240 hookup plugged in, what will obviously blow cold air around the system of the motorhome. If you go on heating, you'll click on that. So currently it's 23 degrees in here. So when you do set your heating, it needs to be above 23 degrees or your heating will not turn on. You've got 2 different modes. You've got fast and comfort. With White Cliffs Motorhome, the gas is completely free, so just use fast every single time. And down in the right bottom corner is your mode. So if you click on that, you've got the option to run it on gas or run it on electricity. At the moment the gas is on, so we've got it on gas, but if you have your 240 hookup cable plugged into the motorhome, you can run it on electricity. Where it says 900W and 1800W, this is just the elements what's in your boiler. So this will use 1 element on 900, and on 2 elements it will use 1800. If you have the electric plug-in plugged into the side of the motorhome, you can actually run the gas and the electric together, what will heat your water up within 10 minutes, I'd say. Go back on that, let's turn this off because we're not using it. So you've got timers. So with your timers, you've actually got an app, what's called iNet X app. If you come off of this and scroll to the right, here's your option here. So you can actually connect the control panel with your phone, and you can turn your heating on or set timers for your heating to come on at, say, for example, 6 AM in the morning. But you need to download the app and connect it to be able to do this. And if you do set a reminder on the app, it will be on here where it says timers. You've got hot water. So we're going to turn the hot water on. Same again, it's very similar to the heating side of things. You've got eco. Oh, it's got error on it. So you've got eco, hot, or boost. So always run it off a boost, because with White Cliffs Motorhome, like I just said a minute ago, you've got unlimited gas. You've got an option to turn your pump on, and then you've got your mode in the bottom right corner. So same again with the heating, you've got gas, you've got electric, you can run them both together. Obviously if you're off-grid camping, you're going to be running on gas. If you're at a caravan site, you can hook it up onto the electric. You've got notifications. So as you could see there, because we haven't got the gas bottle turned on at the moment, it's got an error code on the Combi 6. It's just basically saying that it's got no gas feed going to it, or it could, for example, you could have other issues with the motorhome. So if you haven't got an electric hookup or there's a problem, it will send you a notification. If this does happen, please contact us right away. Send us a photo of what the error code is, and then we'll get you the information what you need. And then you've got settings. You don't really need to worry about settings because we've already set all the time and date and everything on the system. And then last but not least, you've got the turn off. So you've got 2 options here. You've got standby and you've got turn off. With standby, it will turn the system off, the whole of the motorhome. But if you wanted to use the app to turn your lighting on or to set a timer, you can still use it. Or if you use the second option, what's completely turn off mode, it will just turn everything off in the motorhome until you turn it back on using the home screen button. Other than that, that's everything explained with the control panel in our Roller Team.